Good afternoon, everybody. Right, before we get started, some of you may have noticed, you eagle-eyed viewers, that I now have headrests. Where did they come from? That's what today's video is all about. I'm going to show you how my lovely wife transformed this into
So in today's fun episode of Sewing with Eels, we will be finishing the chairs finally, getting the headrests done. So these nasty headrests are very 90's, we decided, I think, and we need to make them a bit more retro. I'm thinking just covers off, make a simple headrest, nothing fancy, no pattern, just plain and simple. Probably going to take them off most of the time anyway. Might need to use some foam just to fill in this triangle. But first things first is to get these covers off with my trusty unpicking tool. One unpicking tool. So I am not going to preserve these covers, but I do want to use them to make patterns again. So I'm just going to start ripping this off from here and see where we get to. I can't film it because I need to do this with two hands. Okay, so I split this seam with my tool there, and unfortunately, if you can see that, but it's actually glued onto the foam. So basically, if I take this off, it's just going to fall apart. So we need a plan B. Plan B. Okay, so I have this step, which is basically clear film, quite thin, and I am going to use this along with this to basically make a pattern by wrapping it around and drawing on it, hopefully cutting it out, and then we will use that to create the actual vinyl covering and just sew it up and just put it over the top of this, and then it keeps everything together. Okay, so now that I've got my patterns, I need to cut them out in the fabric. So I've drawn around them, but I need to now kind of sketch a 1/2 inch all the way around, because that is my seam allowance. I'll just freehand it all the way around, and then I need to cut out on that line. Pieces all chopped out. Now just to sew them together. Done. All sewn up. Okay, time to flip it over and put it onto the thing. Hey, it's not a bad fit actually. It's fitting quite well. But obviously this isn't sealed up, so what I'm going to do honestly, I think what I'm going to do is cheat. Ta-da! I'm going to staple it. Okay, it all stapled up. I just folded the ends in, used the staple gun, stapled it up. Staples here, so you know what, it's not the neatest thing, but seriously, who's going to look at the bottom of a headrest? So I'm really not that bothered. From the top point of view, yeah, not bad. That will do. I think it looks better than it did before. Time to try it on the chair.
Thank you, darling. Right, let's show everyone how they look in the car. Well, I think they look just perfect. And she's also left it plain on the face in case we ever want to get an embroidery of the Scott Rods logo on them, which would be nice. But for now, that matches really nice. Superb. I bet you all wish you had a wife as talented as mine, don't ya? Well, you don't. She's mine. Right, I need to get a move on with these doors because she'll be itching to do the next stage, which will be door panels, headliner, the rear sections as well, all needs done, and she's just going to do a great job. I can't wait. But it's up to me. I need to have something for the panels to attach to, so I'll be getting that done soon. Right, I'm going to wrap that up there for today. But first, I had a visitor today. One of my subscribers, Cameron, dropped by, and he brought me some stuff. People are great. People keep giving me stuff. So he brought me some shop stuff. One of the stuff has fallen down the back there. Anyway, he brought me some WD-40 and he brought me some tubes of lithium grease, because he knows that I like to lube things up. So thanks, Cameron, very much appreciated. And I hope your new project is going to be kick-ass. I'm sure it will be. You sound like a fairly educated hot rodder. Right, folks, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one, which will possibly be tomorrow, where I will be doing more headlight stuff because I found parts. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.